I wasn't going to do this, but I've decided to release all of the examples or templates that I wrote for the CMake tutorial in a source code pack for everybody to use. That's a downloadable pack. I had good reason not to release it because having access to the source code can get in the way of learning. Let me lay out my reasoning, what changed my mind, and then I'll tell you how to get the CMake tutorial source code pack. Actually, if you're in a hurry, just click the link below the video and it'll take you right there. Now, I didn't release this code earlier because here's what typically happens when someone receives both the tutorial and the ready written source code. And I'm guilty of this myself. So you read through the tutorial, makes sense, and then you go over to the pre-written source code and you compile it and see that it works, nod your head, and then move on. And at that point, you haven't learnt a thing. Why? Because you haven't done anything yourself. You haven't written any code or studied how it works. You haven't done your own push-ups, and if you don't do your own push-ups, you'll never get strong. And it's not until later, when you try to actually write some code yourself, that you realize you don't know what you're doing and you have to go back and learn it properly. So this is why I normally don't release the code for any of the tutorials that I've written, because not having the code on hand forces you to write it out, or at least copy and paste, right? It forces you to do something, and you're more likely to learn if you actually do something than if you just sit there and passively read and nod your head. However, there are legitimate uses for the code. For example, those who follow the tutorial diligently sometimes get stuck, and I've had people email me when they're stuck, and it's usually something small. And for those people, it would have been very useful to compare what they've written with something that they know works. Now you can learn valuable lessons that way in a fraction of the time that it takes via the bang your head against the wall until it works method. Plus, the example code makes for great starter templates, and I've been using the examples that I wrote for the CMake tutorial for my own code as a starter template. So for those reasons, I've decided to make the CMake tutorials source code available as a downloadable. It is a separate purchase, which I hope will discourage the lazy tutorial problem I told you about. Basically, it's there for those who want it or need it. Click the link below the video to get it. Please use it wisely. Please don't make me regret releasing it, and I'll see you next time.